Over the past 8 years, President Mnangagwa has systematically worked to dismantle Chiwenga's military network, which was crucial to the 2017 coup. Senior officers loyal to Chiwenga have been retired or dispatched to distant embassies, effectively neutralizing their influence. Sanapenda mashukubulani kwa pangwa inachona kuti VP Constantino Chiwenga and his allies paripangwa yakauma is we are seeing kuti Uganda they are pushing kuti wakwanise kupasa their bill not for subscribe or like on the bell icon. And furthermore, Mnangagwa has aligned members of Chiwenga's family while promoting his own relatives, a clear indication of his efforts to consolidate dynastic power. A recent military reshuffle in April 2026 saw the promotion of Mnangagwa's son to a senior role, further solidifying this trend. This calculated weakening of his deputy suggests a final showdown between the two powerful figures is inevitable, though it remains unclear whether Chiwenga still commands significant support within the armed forces or is relying on a handful of retired officers. For now, Chiwenga has avoided direct confrontation, opting instead to deliver sermons in church using biblical parables, such as the story of King Hezekiah, who persuaded God to extend his life by 15 years, only to bring disaster upon Judah as a veiled warning to the president. The Democratic opposition, already weakened by years of suppression, faces an uphill battle against Step 3. Veteran opposition leader Tendai Biti has been a vocal critic, describing the bill as a coup against the people and the constitution of Zimbabwe. He warned that it will push our country to the precipice of a violent implosion. Biti himself was arrested in Mutare in March 2026 while mobilizing people against the bill, highlighting the risks faced by those who dare to challenge the ruling party. Toma developments are buda pangwa inoi. Pena comment section medu za fungu enyi mwaru kulipa msuru pechitu kwa ishi. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.